YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am LaNee. Today I will be showing you how I transformed this wig from Bios Wigs, alright? So if you are interested in seeing how I added highlights and lowlights to this beautiful unit, keep watching. And in the meantime, if you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and leave your comments below also. I'm going in with Clairol's BW2 Bleach and 40 volume developer. I'm adding light vertical strokes to this hair. I don't like doing the cap method for highlighting, nor do I like intricate parting and foiling. I usually like to do my highlights free-handed. Alright, now that I've completed this first section of highlighting, I'm going to go ahead and foil it up and get it out the way. I would also like to mention that I have sectioned this unit into 4 parts, 3 of which are at the top that are visible to you, and those parts I will be highlighting. There's a part underneath the first highlighted section, however, I will not be highlighting. I want to leave that in its natural state. Okay, so now that the hair has finished processing, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out in the sink and apply the Wella Toner. Now with the Wella Toner, I did add the 40 volume developer. So I'm going to go ahead and add that all throughout the hair. After 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out and give it a good deep condition and let it air dry overnight. I would also like to mention that I did have to go back in and add a few highlights the next day. It did not have enough dimension for me, so I went on ahead and gave it a few little strokes around the same areas that you've seen in the video. And let it air dry overnight again. And I did try to record it, but the lighting was off. It did not match the first video, so I'll just have to insert a picture of after I flat ironed it.